My dear junior advocates, I am Guru Narayan Rao, advocate practicing in the Madras High Court and all other courts in Tamil Nadu for the past 22 years. This academy, namely Junior Advocates Training Academy, is a long felt dream in my mind, because there are academies like Judicial Academy, Police Training Academy, IPS Academy, IAS Academy, like that. But I felt why there is no academy for advocates? That too, imparting knowledge about the court procedures, because court procedures are unwritten, so they are all hidden somewhere. Unless we get an opportunity to file a case, then only we will find a search about the procedure. So, whom we will ask? Everyone will tell something. So, then you have to find your own ways and means to follow the procedures. If the procedure is not scrupulously followed as prescribed in the law, then you will end up in problems. The case will get delayed. So that is why before taking a brief, you have to be accustomed with the procedural laws. You may say, sir, we are advocates, sir, why should we know about all these court procedures? Let my clerk will take care of this. Because there is one clerks association in High Court. We know how they are working. Each clerk has his own way of working. So one day they won't come. One day they will take the brief, they will take the petitions and go to filing section, they will file it and go home and sleep. They won't make a follow-up. So there in the court section, they would have returned the petition for want of certain compliances. So the clerk will say, sir, I have filed it, sir. But when it will get numbered, nobody knows. So the senior keep on asking us, sir, what happened? The petition got numbered or not? No, sir, we have filed it 1 week back, 1 month back, 6 months back, like that. So unless we go there to section and find out whether our petition has been numbered, the clerk will say in the court, sir, your petition is already returned for want of so many compliances. Then it will be a shock for us. What is this? We have filed it through my clerk who knows everything. Then he would have missed something. He would have missed some signatures or some stitching problem, or no stamps are fixed, like that. So it is all human errors. So what we should do? We should also know about the procedures. Simply giving to somebody and waiting for that will increase our work, and it will become a problem for the client himself. So we should know procedures. That is why in 2003, I have published a book along with my brother who gave me the concept. We both published a book, namely All Courts, Petitions and Forms. It is a book compilation, because so many forms are sold outside for 1 rupee, 2 rupees, like that. But we collected all the forms, we compiled it and we put it as a book. That book is very popular because it contains all the forms. You need not go anywhere to search of any form. You can take simply a Xerox and you can fill it up, you can file it. So in such a way the compilation is done, and it is made in full size. Normally you will see all the formats in a very short book. There you have to retype. Here it is not like that. For example, wakalats. A client comes to you suddenly and he likes to give a brief. Immediately you want to take signature in a wakalat. Where you will go? You can take a copy from the book. So likewise, we have made prescribed formats in a compilation. But how to fill up those forms, it is a question mark again. So for which you don't have any guidance. So all these guidance we will give you in this academy. So you can make use of the golden opportunity. And further, we tell you how to issue legal notice, how to give reply to a legal notice, because even legal notice is a complicated one. Every advocate has his own style of giving a legal notice. Somebody will give a legal notice which is ought to be have given in 1 or 2 pages, he will give you in 10 pages. Then only you will get fees. But that type of practice is not good. So you should give a legal notice which should contain factual correctness and provision of law, and under which law you are giving, it has to be mentioned, and what is the relief you are asking, what is that you want from the other party, that you have to mention it properly. Otherwise, the entire legal notice will not have any use. So we have to first make up our mind in what way we have to give a legal notice. And if you receive a legal notice, as a client gets you a legal notice, sir, I received, sir, you should first ask him to, first you should pacify him. Don't worry, I am here to take care. Then you go through the legal notice. Then you make up, you get an idea how to give a suitable reply. Then only the legal notice will get a fitting reply. So that reply, how you have to draft it, that we will tell you. So all these things where you won't get, it is not a marketplace. There is no marketplace for your doubts to get clarification. That those things we will tell you. This is the concept which we have followed the first time all over India. There is no such training academy for the junior advocates. So once you want to join a senior office, first you have to study which senior office is good and which senior practices in all the aspects of laws. That nobody can tell you, you join this senior or that senior. Nobody can give you any guarantee. But here we give you guarantee that we will tell you about all the laws, all the procedures. There, so you have to, you will save much of your time, and also you will become master over all the laws, all the procedures. So that is very important, because you are all like babies. You are coming out of the law colleges and you are coming to the legal profession. So you should get a good name. So if you join a senior, then you come to know of so many procedures in about 3 years, 4 years or 5 years. So here, in a very short span of time, you can get to know all the procedures. So that is very important. Otherwise, the cases won't get a speedy disposal. So we are assisting the courts as well as we are satisfying the needs of the client, and also we will get the good name. Tomorrow you can ask any fees, the client will happily give you, because you are going to solve his problem in a quick manner. So that is very important. So all these things keeping in mind, we have started this academy. So I hope for your better future and bright professional career, you will all join our academy and get maximum benefit. And even after course also, you can come to us for any doubts, for any clarification. We are ready, we are forward, we will come forward to help you out in any type of situation. So you can get in touch with our office, and we hope you will join the academy and get benefits out of it. Thank you.